Well, you can take a set of statistics from one database and import it into another database. You can do it on schema or table level, but you can also do it on database, dictionary, and fixed object statistics, but those three scenarios are rather rare. Typically, it's on table and schema. You can use it, for instance, if you want to have your production statistics imported into a test system. If your test system is empty or only has a subset of the data, you can still use it with your production statistics by moving them into your test system. Similar, you can use your production statistics for query tuning. If your developer needs to work on a special query, you can give him the production statistics into his little development database so we can work in a much more realistic scenario. This is the use case that I mentioned earlier, that you can import statistics after an upgrade if you don't have time to regather statistics. You can take statistics from your test system and get them into your production database, but you should only do this if your test database is 100% similar to your production database. The data should be the same, otherwise the statistics will be inaccurate. Similar, when you do migrations, you can get new fresh statistics into your migrated target database without regathering. Especially if you're doing character set migration, we strongly recommend that you delete your statistics and regather. But in a very narrow downtime window, that might not be possible. So you can take the statistics from a test database, a 100% similar test database, and move those into your production database to get new and fresh statistics. And finally, you can use DBMS stats as a way of transporting your statistics instead of using data pump. You will often find that using DBMS stats as a mean of exporting your statistics will be much faster than using data pump. So how does it work? In your source database, we have the data dictionary, and then we have our user data. And in this example, it's stored in a schema called sales app. The optimizer statistics are stored in the data dictionary. Next, to transport the statistics, first we create a staging table in our sales app schema. Now we can export statistics from the data dictionary in a binary format into a transportable format in the staging table in our sales app schema. The staging table is a regular heap table, so we can just export it with data pump. Now, on the target database, first we transfer the dump file. Then we can use data pump to import the staging table into our sales app schema. If you have network connectivity between the two databases, you can also do it directly over a network link. And then I import my statistics from the staging table into the data dictionary.